Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A33, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So first I'll just check if I'm sitting in a good position. Yeah, so now I'll just make a couple of tries to unlock the device, and we'll see how fast this unlock method is and does it works on our device. So as can you see, that's work normally. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As can you see, I just can unlock the device really fast, just less than in 1 second. That's the good result for the device, and I'm doing this with my just glasses. I just wear them, but I'll try to unlock it's without glasses. As can you see, it also works normally. So I suggest you to try this unlock method, but if you don't like, for example, the pin codes or passcodes, but don't forget that this unlock method is less secure than the passcode, pin codes or patterns, so be careful. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.